Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll cover the essentials of file handling in Python, including reading, writing, and more advanced techniques. Let's dive in. In Python, we can work with files using the built-in open function. To open a file, just call open followed by the file path and the mode in which you want to open it. The mode can be R for reading, W for writing, A for appending, and X for creating a new file. You can also add a B to the mode for binary files like RB or WB. Now that we have our file open, let's see how to read its content. We can use the read method to read the entire file, readline to read a single line, or readlines to read all lines as a list. To write to a file, we can use the write method for strings or writelines for lists. First, open the file in write or append mode, then call write or writelines with the content you want to add. Remember, using write mode will overwrite the file, while append mode will add the content at the end. Lastly, let's see how to work with files more efficiently using the with statement. This takes care of closing the file automatically once the block of code is done. Additionally, we'll cover how to use OS and Shutil libraries for file management tasks like renaming, deleting, and moving files. And that's it. You now have a solid understanding of file handling in Python. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!